The reliability of power batteries is critically vital. It ensures safety by preventing thermal runaway and potential fires in electric vehicles. Guarantees stable power output for consistent vehicle performance and energy storage system operation. So choose a chamber that aligns with your testing need is very important. But how to select the battery test chamber? Here below are some tips. 1. Hardware performance, temperature range, humidity control, voltage or current capacity load simulation. 2. Safety features, explosion-proof desking, overload protection, monitoring systems. 3. Integration and scalability. 4. On-site installation, calibration and troubleshooting. 5. Customization. For more details, please contact us freely.